Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for you today is this Euro cylinder. It's a Dimple lock, as you can tell by looking at this keyway, and the brand name of this lock is Palladium. You can read it right here, on the front plate of the cylinder itself. This brand name is very well known in Russia. They have very aggressive advertising campaign, and they're sold almost everywhere. There are different locks in their lineup, from padlocks to these Euro cylinders, and they're sold pretty cheaply. I think these locks are actually made in China, not in Russia, but anyway. You can see 1, 2, 3, 6 pins here, not a very huge amount for a Dimple lock. I have a key for this lock. Here is the key. Nothing very special on the key bitting, and I can clearly see 6 cutouts for pins here. The key obviously works. The core rotates very smoothly, as I would expect from a new lock like this one, but I can feel that tolerances here are not very good. So let's try to pick this lock open and see how difficult it will be. We will use our tensioner and our broken pick. I don't have a Dimple pick with me now, so that's all I can use for this lock. Just tensioning. So, okay. 1, 2, click out of 2. Oh. Nothing on 3. Oops. Another click out of 6, I think. And click out of 1. 4 is definitely binding. Oops. Not yet set. Yeah. Click out of 5 and we got the lock open. Like this. As you can see, the key still works. No, this way. It was very easy. Actually, I spent more time tensioning this lock than picking it. It was the first time I picked this lock, and I didn't expect it to stop fighting that easy. It's a shame that these are very widespread in Russia. I think it's due to the pricing. These locks are sold very cheaply, but I was disappointed by the security of this lock. I didn't feel any security pins here, and I won't gut it, because I think all the pins are standard and there is nothing interesting in this core. As for today, that's all I have for you on this disappointingly insecure Palladium lock. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them below. Stay safe, have a good time, and see you in the next video.